Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how to enable footer in Wordpress in WordPress. As you can see, we have added this main menu, this page is to main menu, and if I go to layout and see footer, you can see all the settings are fine, but when I scroll down I don't see these pages in the footer bar. So for that you'll have to create a navigation menu, and before we create the navigation menu, let me show you that I'll go to I'll go to appearances and I'll go to menu and select the menu as footer menu. Click on select, and you can see we have these three pages that are not displayed on our website because our footer bar is not ready. So just click on customize, and from widgets you have to go to footer bar, and you'll have to enable footer bar by clicking this add block button. You'll search for navigation menu, this one here, and give it a title. You can name this as footer, and from select menu you'll select the footer menu, the same as this one, the menu that you created and added pages. So you'll select that and click on publish. I guess, yeah, you'll select that and click on publish, and once that is published, if you go to your website, you will be able to see your footer pages here, the pages that you have displayed under your footer section. So that's how you can enable the footer bar in Wordpress in WordPress websites if you're not able to see even after adding the menu. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.